Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about something really awesome. So we're going to talk about create consistent characters easily with Apob AI, step-by-step tutorial. Right now, I have some few samples here. These are the images that I created so far. Now take note about this guy, this one right here, this one right here, and this one right there. Take note guys, these are really consistent characters. By the way guys, these are created entirely for free. Take note about that one. Now before we get started, this is going to be the link app.apob.ai. And now this is going to be the prices. For this video, we're going to utilize solely for the free trial. You get 80 credits per day that is restored every 24 hours. To get started with this one, you can simply create your very own model. If you click on this option right here, you're going to have two options inside it. You can choose upload your image as a reference, or you can go for influence generator. Name your model of course, and then basically the description. So if you click on, for example, AI influence generator, you can simply choose random. Choose this one right there. You can choose the country. The hairstyle is right here, and basically go up to the face shape. However, take note guys, this AI image model generator is for the paid subscription. So for this video, since we're only utilizing the free trial, we're going to focus on the presetted templates. However, just want to remind you guys, it's simply a click of a button. That's going to be the difference. Now going back on the dashboard right here, we can utilize this presetted models. I'm going to go for this one right here called Astra. Now if I click on Astra right there, it will be registered and be used as a sample model. Now this is going to be the dashboard, right? So since we're utilizing the free trial and then the presetted models, I'm going to choose Yana. So if I click on Yana right here, this is going to be the inside of the interface. On the left side, you can have some choices from image to video, video face swap, talking avatar, complete set expert, and image face swap. We're going to utilize each and one of them for this video. Now for example, we're going to go in here. You can choose art style, architecture, landscape, age, clothing, and weather. You have, I think, a very wide variety of choices. So let's start with this one. I'm gonna go with realistic. By the way, before I continue, these are gonna be the sample images I created with this model. Pretty awesome, right? This is the video I created, by the way, and these are the different samples. So let's go back on the platform right here. So I have realistic. Now I can choose for the architecture. I think I'm gonna go for church. And then for the landscape, I'm going for, since we have a church, I'm gonna choose a landscape as of now. It will gonna be contradicting for one each other. For the age, I'm gonna go for middle. For the clothing, since we're in a church, I think I'm gonna go for a suit. For the weather, I think this doesn't really matter because this is gonna be a church, but for the sake of the discussion, I'm gonna go for sunny. Now we have those filters right there. What else we need is basically your prompt. So since this is going to be a prompt, I'm going to type in a woman in a red suit. I think that's enough for me. You can choose your sizes with this option right here. I'm going to go with the most famous one, the 9x16. And this is going to be the generated cost. So take note guys, no matter how much you choose here, for example, it will really depend on the credits. So I have 16 to be deducted, I still have 80. That's going to be my trial for today. I'm going to click on this one right now, and I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Now these are going to be our results. We have 4 actually. So this is going to be the model from Delana, and we have discussed it with the red suit right here inside the church. These are going to be the results in full screen right there. So you can choose which one of them, which whenever you like. For example, this one right here, but I prefer this second one. Now you can download this photo with no problem by that button right there. If I click on export right here, I'm gonna have an option wherein is gonna be basically as what I did before. I'm gonna type in here a woman in a red suit inside a coffee shop. Something like that. For the negative prompt, I'm gonna type in blurry. So negative prompt as best practice. These are gonna be the things you don't want to see inside your photo. So that was gonna be blurry and pixelated. Choose a ratio. I think I'm still gonna go from 9x16. And with that being said, you can choose Apob as your trigger word. Anyway, I think I'm satisfied with what I have here. I'm gonna click on generate and see what's in here. Now welcome back to the video. Now these are gonna be your results. As you can see right here, this is a very good result. Take note guys, there is a reference image here. We only have a model and the consistent characters are pretty awesome. So if I click on that right there, it will be downloaded on my computer with no problem at all. Now since this is done, let's go back on the dashboard and I want to talk about something very awesome. Now we're gonna focus right now on video face swap. So basically, as the name suggests, we're trying to swap an image or rather a video and we're gonna change the face inside that video. So if I click on this right here, we can upload the video. However, I think I'm done with this model. Let me try a new one. Now welcome back to the video. So this is gonna be a new model for us to use. It's gonna be Mario. This is gonna be a guy right now, so I'm gonna choose a photo or video to work with. It's gonna be that video right there. Now the video has been successfully uploaded. Take note guys, every 3 seconds of the video that will be 16 credits. In a total, this is 3 seconds. I have trimmed it down so my credits will be enough. Since I only have a free trial, I only have a very limited credits. Anyway, if you're satisfied with this, there won't be any prompt needed. Just simply click on generate. You can choose by the way the quality and the ultra. Now you can have a preview on how much the credit will spend, but for now, the best one I think is going to be the ideal for videos featuring large or fast movement body. For the high, this is for slow and slow body movements. I think I'm going to go for high, and basically we'll get back to you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Now this is going to be a result. On the left one would be the video from Apob AI. Right one right here would be the generated video as a sample reference. I just want to show you the difference between the two, because right now look at that face. That is a completely different guy. However, everything in the video is exactly the same. Perfect, right? Let me just paste them all together so you can just see it properly. That is a really good AI. Now for example, you want to remix, simply click on this button. Download is going to be here, and basically that's going to be it. Let's try some different samples here. Now we're back on the landing page. I want to try a different model now. I think I'm going to go with Mari. So if I click on Mari right here, right now I'm going to go for image face swap. So now I'm going to choose a sample image I have. Now welcome back to the video. So I have a sample image. So this is going to be the photo I have downloaded from Apob earlier. Remember this woman right here? We're going to try swapping Mary with this new one. With that being said, I'm just simply click on generate credits and I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. On the right one would be our original image and this is going to be the new one. As you can see right here, everything is exactly the same. The coffee, the drink right there, the number of lamps in the background, and basically the hair is entirely the same. However, the photo right here has a new face. How awesome is that, right? By the way guys, I almost forgot. Before we move on to the next feature, you can just simply click on this option right here to upscale this image. However, that will be the limit of our credits for the day. Let's move on with a different feature just for this video. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be a new model named Erica. And let's try different features. It's going to be image to video. Right now, we have image face swap tackled, expert. We have video face swap. For this one, let's try image to video. Basically, for this one, we're going to select a content and then upload an image. For the content, these are going to be the samples under Jonathan, under Erica. So I think I'm going to select the first one, or rather third one right here. I think I like this one. And for the image, I'm going to choose a sample image I have here. What if, just for the sake of discussion, I select a completely different image here for our references. Not the one came from Apob, alright? So I'm just looking for a woman here. How about this woman right here? I'm going to use her as a reference and click on save. With that being said, I can now generate with 32 credits. I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. This is going to be our new video used by Erica model. Now guys, if you want to download this one, simply click on this button right here. You'll be good to go. Now that is going to be image to video for you guys. Now welcome back to the video. This is going to be the dashboard one more time, because right now we're going to try the talking avatar. Now with this one, it's basically the same as the video and image video. We're going to choose to select content and upload an image. First, let's select a content. You can have choices from inspiration, personal and community, For Persil, this is going to be the end of the list based on your model. Now I think I'm going to go with this one, the one with the tree. That is going to be my reference for my content. For the audio, I think I'm going to select a specific audio here. I can help me write a script. I'm just going to say, hello there. Something like that. Let me just fix this one up. Good morning. I think that's good enough, right? And with that being said, the voice model or the vase for the AI voiceover, since this is gonna be a new model, Julia, I think I'm gonna go with Matilda here. Selecting Matilda right there, just make sure it's a woman's voice. Now I'm gonna simply click on generate and I'll see you once it's here. Now this is gonna be the voiceover. I can play right here. Let's try listening into it.
Hello there, good morning. Hello there, good morning.
There we have it. Now I can select this audio as a reference, or I can just upload my very own audio. For this video, I'm gonna choose this one as a generated video, and then simply gonna click on generate video right here. I'm gonna see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Now this is gonna be our video generated from Apob AI with a voice generation audio. Let's all listen to it together.
Hello there, good morning. Hello there, good morning.
Now that's gonna be the video. By the way guys, you cannot really listen to it if you're gonna be inside the AI itself. So you gotta download it first. Take note about that one, right? And basically that sums it up. That is how you use this AI. I just want to reiterate that you can use this paid portrait model when you can create your very own model to use the features we have tackled earlier. Again guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.